How are you guys? Tonight we're talking something about how to produce this IML pails. It is a pails around 2 liter to 2.5 liters with a lid like this. It is a popular package for food like dairy products. It can be ice cream or chocolate or something else. The feature of this pail is that it has a handle which for the consumers to carry the products. They choose conveniently. But because of the handle, it makes the production of this pail a really labor-intensive job because it is boring to assemble this handle to the pails. Is there any easier way to produce these IML pails efficiently and economically? Of course there is. The solution is to make the handle and the bucket in the same mold and to have the handle assembled immediately after the injection molding done. So this would be a very efficient way to produce this IML pail, in small and medium-sized quantity, with the handle and the bucket to be in the same injection mold. It is very easy for us to provide you with an automation system to produce a pail with the handle immediately, automatically, and economically. If you want a solution like this to produce this pail, just feel free to contact me. I will show you details and provide you with a turnkey IML solution. Remember this brand, it is SWITEK IML Solution. See you.